How you doing? This is Mike with Get Creative Real Estate, and we're talking about purchasing income property without the need for a bank. And what we commonly call this is leverage. Why? Well, we'll come back to that in just a minute. The bigger question is, why do you want to consider buying income property today? And there's really just four main reasons. And number one is what we mentioned in the title there. There's no bank qualifying. Think about that. You know, how is it possible? How are we able to get that done? Well, the bottom line is we are getting it done on a regular basis, and it's a fantastic way to buy property. Secondly, very low down payments, usually 7 to 15% down, as opposed to what banks will require you, as you probably know, anything over 5 units or 5 units plus, it's required 30 to more like 50% down. And we're picking up these same properties for say 7 to 15% down. Thirdly, no competition. All of our properties are unlisted opportunities. They're exclusive to our buyers. Fourth, very motivated sellers. All of our sellers are very flexible and willing to give our buyers incredible terms. So back to leverage. Leverage is really just getting the biggest bang for your buck. See, if you were to buy, say, 9 units in Long Beach, California for $900,000, all banks / lenders would require a minimum of 30% down, as I mentioned, or probably more like 40 to 50% down. And you're looking at $360,000 down on that $900,000 building. And guess what? We just sold that same building for less than 10% down. How much exactly? $77,000. And again, no bank qualifying. Pretty incredible. And that's what we mean by leverage. It's all about leverage and terms. And when one is able to leverage their money going in and receive really fantastic terms, the sales price becomes less of a factor. Let me give you an example. I might give a seller his asking price of, say, $800,000 for his fourplex if he sells it to me based on the following: 5% down, 3% interest, and no payment for 10 years. Now, this is a hypothetical scenario, but I'm simply getting you to understand that it's not all about the sales price. Even $200,000 a door in Southern California is still pricey. So that's quite a bit of money for that fourplex. But under these terms, is this a good deal? Well, let's see. I'm only out of pocket $40,000 up front, and I have no payments for 10 years. And let's just say the rent for the 4 units is a total of $4,800, or $1,200 per unit. How much is the cash flow? And the question is does it really matter? We don't have a mortgage. There's no mortgage. This is an incredible deal. Yeah, you're responsible for taxes, insurance, and your basic expenses, but still you're looking at probably cash flowing in the neighborhood of $3,000 a month, or call it 36 grand a year. Is that okay? It's just an incredible opportunity. So is it easier to get qualified by a bank or purchase a property without bank qualifying? And would you rather put $360,000 down or $77,000? This is what we mean by leverage, and even savvy investors that can afford to put 30 or 40% down choose not to. I mean, why would they? Based on what we just went over. And if they understand leverage, they wouldn't. So bottom line, great investors use leverage to maximize their investments with as little down as possible. We do this every single day with terms. And we've got opportunities for you right now. Incredible buildings with incredible terms. So give us a call at the 800 number, or check us out on the web at noneedforbank.com. Okay, thanks. Have a great day.